Hi guys, happy Thursday. I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and tasty dish called queso chicken and rice. Perfect for that busy weeknight meal. I'm showing you a half batch here, but the recipe is for a 9x13 pan. Let's get started. We take cubed chicken and sprinkle with taco seasoning. Mix well. In a baking dish, place 2 packages of Knorr Mexican rice and chicken stock, picante sauce, water, minced garlic. Give a stir and add in finely diced onion. Mix well and add your chicken. Nestle it down in there. And then we're going to top it with Mexican cheese blend. Cover tight with foil and bake at 350 for 1 hour. Bring it out and remove our foil. Then we're going to place it back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's done, we're going to bring it out. Oh, it smells amazing. And now we're going to pour our queso blanco on top. It's just like the icing on the cake. Sprinkle with some cilantro and serve it up. This is oh so delicious. Now this was fantastic the way I just showed you, but after the fact, I made a couple changes that made it even better. I added a can of Rotel and frozen corn. I will have the directions in the recipe. I hope you give this a try, guys. It's really worth it. Enjoy!